Hello बच्चों, let us look at this question which says the N positive and N negative coordination number in calcium fluoride CaF2 and sodium oxide Na2O are respectively. Okay, तो हमें यहाँ पे इन दोनों कंपाउंड्स में उनके coordination number find out करने हैं N plus and N negative. That means coordination number of both cation and anion, right? So the key concept here is fluoride and anti-fluoride structure. We will learn about this concept. सबसे पहले हम देख लेते हैं कि fluoride structure क्या होता है. तो fluoride is a common motif for compounds having MX formula. तो जो compounds जिनका formula MX2 होता है उन्हें हम commonly fluoride बोलते हैं. ठीक है. अब इनका structure या arrangement of molecule इसमें कैसा होता है. In the fluoride structure जो X ions हैं that is our anions occupy the tetrahedral sites. अब tetrahedral sites कितनी होती हैं एक क्यूब में? There are 8 tetrahedral sites. तो ये anions occupy करते हैं tetrahedral sites in a cube. Whereas जो M positive है M2 plus ion cation है that occupy the regular sites of FCC lattice. Okay, तो M2 plus FCC lattice में होगा. FCC lattice is formed by corners plus faces. तो corners and faces पे हमारा cation होगा और anion will be on the 8 tetrahedral sites. अब हम इसका structure draw कर लेते हैं. एक cube का structure which represents a unit cell. इसमें हम देखते हैं कि fluoride structure में का arrangement of ions क्या है. ठीक है. Now fluoride has structure are compounds with this formula. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास कौन सा compound ऐसा है? It is CaF2. ठीक है. So हमें उसमें क्या बताया है कि M ions जो cations हैं that are present in FCC lattice and N ions are present in tetrahedral sites. तो सबसे पहले हम cation को ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं which is present in FCC. तो FCC में 8 corners. Okay, and then the faces. This is front and back faces. अब हम इसमें tetrahedral sites ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. तो tetrahedral sites हमारी यहाँ present है. 8 tetrahedral sites here. So these are the 8 tetrahedral sites present in a cubic lattice. So we have seen that in this structure each cation is calcium and anion is fluoride. So each calcium is surrounded by how many fluoride? By 8 fluoride. And each fluoride is in turn surrounded by 4 cations, that is calcium ions. तो इसका arrangement क्या हो जाएगा? It has 8:4 4 arrangement, which is the arrangement of a fluoride structure. So the coordination number of calcium is 8, whereas the coordination number of anion, that is fluoride, is 4. Now सोडियम ऑक्साइड जो Na2 है, जो सेकेंड मॉलिक्यूल है, this is anti-fluoride structure. Now what is anti-fluoride? Anti-fluoride is exact opposite of fluoride structure. तो फ्लोराइड स्ट्रक्चर में हमने देखा the arrangement was 8:4. So in anti-fluoride, the arrangement is 4:8, exact opposite of fluoride structure. So the coordination number here will be opposite. Coordination number of cation, that is sodium, is 4, and coordination number of oxide O2 negative is 8. The correct option क्या है? The cation anion coordination number in calcium fluoride and sodium oxide respectively is 8:4 and 4:8. So option 3 is our correct answer. I hope you understood this concept. Thank you.